New perspective gain from all the pain and stress. And when I do am bad, I'm stronger than ever before. So don't disturb me, no please. Look into my eyes. Then tell me the things you love about behind my back. Definitely, my heart is hard to be down. It's to let go. I'm under jeans. It's going try to run me through. Hold on, think again. Don't you know what you're starting? But you sure we got the clue how bad this we go? Don't you know? No more art. And as you look to the horizon, not a cloud, but then stormy weather's go too cold. Seems like it great, but out of nowhere.